Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is all about order of operations. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about order of operations. So, paano ba ang order of operation? First, let's talk about what does order of operations mean. So, order of operations is the order in which you solve a math problem with many components. So, these components is what we call the PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, don't forget to solve the problem from left to right. Important vocabulary. When we are talking about numerical expression, it's a mathematical phrase that includes only numbers and operation symbol. So, mga numbers sila at operation symbol. Okay, ano ba yung mga operation symbol? Ito yung plus, minus, divide, tsaka multiplication. And then, pag sinabi namang mathematical numbers, these are the numbers that we know. Ito yung mga counting numbers. So, numerical expressions, example, 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times 6. Or 371 minus 203 plus 2, or 5,006 times 19. Itong mga to ay examples ng numerical expressions. When you simplify a numerical expression, you are finding its value. So, ano ba yung value niya? But in simplifying numerical expressions, meron tayong sinusundan na PEMDAS. Okay? So, yun yung tutukuyin natin ngayon para mas maintindihan natin kung paano ba yung order of operations. So, PEMDAS. PEMDAS, meron tayong mnemonics na pwedeng sundan sa PEMDAS. Ito yung, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So, pwedeng ganon. Or, kung madali na sa yung PEMDAS, kahit hindi mo na i-memorize itong mnemonics na to, okay lang. Kahit yung acronym na lang na PEMDAS. So, PEMDAS, hindi siya by letters. So, apat lang siya. Okay? Apat lang siya na process. It's either parenthesis, pwede rin siyang exponent, no? And then, pwede siyang multiplication or divide. So, sabay yan dalawang yan. Multiplication, divide. And addition and subtraction for the next one. So, addition, add, subtraction, subtract, minus sign. Now, parenthesis muna tayo. Always do parenthesis first. Example, parenthesis, the first step of order of operation is parenthesis. So, we have this one. 3 times 6. So, meron siyang open and close parenthesis. In mathematics, in other mathematical term, ang tawag namin dyan ay quantity. Pero dito, tatawagin natin siyang parenthesis or parentheses. So, parentheses or parenthesis, halimbawa, 3 times 6. As we all know, pag binultiply mo ang 3 at saka 6, ang makukuha natin ay 18. Another example is 3 times 6 plus 2 equals 20. So, ang unang i-multiply natin, kung nakikita ninyo, ay 3 times x dahil ito ay nakapaloob sa parenthesis. So, sila yung mauna. So, 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2. Mahalagang maintindihan ito para mas madaling maituro ito sa mga bata. At the same time, ay makakakita rin kayo ng mga ganitong tanong sa inyong licensure examination. So, mauna yung parenthesis, so we have 18, then next yung plus, which is 2. So, 18 plus 2 is 20. Now, the next thing to do is to operate or to simplify using the exponents. So, halimbawa, yung 4 cube. 4 cube is the exponent here. So, always do exponent. Ano ba yung exponent? Ang exponent, ito yung kung ilang beses mo siyang i-multiply by itself. Halimbawa, yung 4 cube. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo yung 4 sa self niya ng 3 beses. Or just simply 4 times 4 times 4. Now, let's have an example. The second step of order of operation is exponents. Example, open and close parenthesis, 3 plus 2 squared equals 25. Ang una, since parenthesis yan, so parenthesis muna, which is 3 plus 2 is 5, and then squared, which is 5 squared, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So, yun ang process nyon. So, another example is this one. So, 3 plus 2, parenthesis siya. So, mauna yung parenthesis, which is 5. Then, 5 squared is 25. The next yon. Bago siya in-add kay 3, which is 3 plus 25. And the answer is 28. Nakakasunod ba? Now, the next thing to remember is yung multiply and divide. So, either sa dalawang yan ay pwede, pero mag-start ka from left to right. Left to right. So, mag-start ka sa left, papuntang right siya. Okay? Now, let's have an example. 6 times 4. As we all know, that's a multiplication symbol. So, the answer is 24. Here, as you can see, meron tayong 3 minus 2. Pero since parenthesis siya, so siya yung mauna, so 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 1 squared is 1 pa rin. Then 1 times 4 is 4. Nahuli yung multiplication kasi siya yung the last step eh. Wala namang addition tsaka subtraction dito. Okay? So, kaya, nahuli siya. So, 1 times 4 is 4. For the division, halimbawa, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Another example, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Pero, ito yung inuna natin to. So, 3 times 6 is 18. Then, 8 divided 2 is 4. Then, doon pa lang sila pwedeng pag-add. Okay? Kasi nga, last step ang addition tsaka subtraction. So, 4 plus 18 is 22. Now, gaya ng sabi ko, last step or final step yung addition and subtraction. So, end your problem with addition and subtraction fourth, from left to right. So addition. The fifth step of order of operation is addition. So, halimbawa, 3 plus 6 is 9. So, dito, 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Mauuna yung 4 divided by 2. Okay? Bago yung addition. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. Subtraction. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Minus 4 is equal to 12. And here, since parenthesis mauna, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then meron siyang exponent, so second step, 4 squared is 16. Bago mo siya ima-minus kay 18. So, 18 minus 16 is 2. Again, laging tatandaan, mauna ang parenthesis, exponent, division or multiplication from left to right, and finally, addition or subtraction from left to right. So, ito yung step natin. So, we have step 1, parenthesis. Step 2, exponents. Step 3, multiplication or division from left to right. Step 4, addition or subtraction from left to right. Okay, meron tayong mga examples dito. Halimbawa, 3 plus 5. Dahil naka-open and close parenthesis ito, so we have mauuna, 3 plus 5 is 8 bago yung subtraction which is 6. Dito naman, alin na mauuna dyan? So, since meron tayong divide or division sign dito, mauuna ang division. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then, since plus naman silang pareho lahat, so pwede natin ipag-add ng diretso yan. Kahit 2 plus 12 ba mauna or 3 plus 2, okay lang. So, the answer is 17. Dito naman, sa nakikita ko, mauna ang exponent dahil walang parenthesis. So, 3 squared is 9. Hindi kasama ang negative sa 3. Okay? So, yung 3, 3 lang. So, hindi kasama ito. So, we have 9. Next is 28 minus 4 times 2. Ayun na mauuna. Tama. Multiplication. So, we have 9 times 2, 18. Bago ka mag-subtract, the answer is 10. Another example. 3 plus 2 squared minus 2. Since meron tayong parenthesis, mauna ang parenthesis, ang answer ay 8. Then, may squared siya, which is the exponent. So, 8 squared is 64 minus 2 is equal to 62. Nakakasunod ba? Okay. Next, 4 squared plus quantity 2x 5 plus times 3 minus 6 divided by 2 equals 43. So, mauna muna ang open and close parenthesis. So, 2 times 5 is 10. Then, pwede na natin isunod yung 4 squared, which is 16. And then dito, pwede natin isunod yung 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So, nabawasan na sila. Then, after that, alin ang mauna? 16 plus 10? 10 times 3 or 3 minus 3? Tama. Multiplication muna. So, 10 times 3 is 30. Then, from left to right, 16 plus 30 is 46 minus 3 is 43. Nakakasunod ba? Another, 3 plus 3 squared divided by 5 minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 6. Since meron tayong open and close parenthesis, mauuna ito. So, that is equal to 5. Then 5 squared, which is the exponent, that's equal to 25. Alin mauuna? 25 divided by 5, 5 minus 3, or 3 plus 4? Very good. Mauna ang division. So, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then, from left to right, pwede na tayo kasi addition tsaka subtraction ito. So, 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4 is 6. So, that's all about our lesson pertaining to order of operations. I hope you learned something for our discussion kung ano yung steps na gagawin kapag tayo ay magsasolve ng operation. Okay? With that, thank you very much for your listening.